Here, that means Crow class is officially in session, and today's lesson concerns this viral post, which claims that the reason you sometimes see crows hop instead of walk is purely just that they enjoy hopping more. So, is that true? Let's find out. For the folks that maybe didn't come across this post or don't know what I mean when I talk about crows hopping, I want to show you an example. All right, well, we clearly don't need to fact check that that is adorable. That's not the question. The question is this statement that they don't do it out of necessity, they only do it because it's fun, is that true? Believe it or not, hopping has actually gotten quite a bit of scientific attention, and the reason for that is not all birds can do it. There's whole orders of birds that physically can't hop. Even within the species that are capable of walking, running, and hopping, we see differences in how frequently they do one or the other. So that leaves this big kind of evolutionary question of why do some birds hop? And for those species that can hop, why do they choose to hop versus other forms of locomotion? There's actually whole ass studies specifically looking at the corvids and why they sometimes hop over walk or run. And the answer when we're comparing walking and hopping is that hopping is faster and it's more energetically efficient. That means if we're comparing walking and hopping, I have to call bullshit on the claim in that post. They don't hop because it's more fun, they hop because it's a faster way to get where they're going. However, if we're talking about running, then it's a whole different story, because the thing is, running and hopping, very energetically similar. We still do not have an answer to why corvids prefer to hop in comparison to run, which means that I cannot in good faith tell you that the answer can't be, it's just because they enjoy it more. It actually might be. I mean, it's probably something more boring than that, but we don't know yet, and that's what matters.